train right here.
What day?
Where the trailers gonna be sitting at.
Oh, okay. Oh, they coming down here today?
I don't know today or what.
Oh. Did they travel looking for this day?
Well, you got a railroad radio and everything, don't you? What you at? Yeah, like. Who you work for? Csx?
I wish I did. And then they gave me the vest.
Oh, they gave you the vest?
Yeah.
How you get the railroad radio?
This a Bearcat scout.
Oh, what?
This a Bearcat scout. I just put the speakers in it now.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, this ain't the railroad radio. This Bearcat.
Oh, okay.
You buy this from Walmart.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they gave you the shoes. Hell, you got the shoes, safety shoes on.
Yeah, these feet like.
Yeah, they got the safety color though.
Oh yeah.
Boy, you got everything, shit.
Yep. Yeah, I've been out for almost 3 months because I had broke my feet.
Oh, you broke your feet?
Yeah.
I see that one right here, huh?
Yeah, right here.
Right there?
Yep.
Oh, you got it going on, man. So you get all your videos, you download them?
Yeah. Put on YouTube.
You like trains?
Yeah.
You love trains?
Mm-hmm.
You ever see them, you know what the Csx train is?
What they
They throw rock.
Oh yeah.
You seen that train?
Oh yeah.
They throw the rock out of it?
Yeah.
You ever seen a derailment where the train's wrecked?
I seen on YouTube and stuff, but I ain't never seen one in real life.
Yeah. They're wrecked too now.
Yeah, sure will.
So you get all that, put it on YouTube, show everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. So you go all over video and trains?
Yeah. I used to, but I don't do it. That's just my feet.
Yeah. Get back in it.
Yep. It'll be over the next year before it heals all the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were bullshitting me, boy. You got them though. I thought you were bullshitting me.
No.
Where you find your camera at?
I had bought it from Walmart.
Yep. Okay. Got everything you need?
Yep. You work for Ed?
Yeah.
Oh.